Ready to turn your college dreams into reality? The journey to your top choice university starts with a single powerful step. The SAT is more than just a test, it's your gateway to success. But you don't have to face it alone. Welcome to urentrance.com, the ultimate AI-powered platform designed to help you conquer the SAT. Experience true adaptive practice that evolves with you, targeting your weaknesses and sharpening your strengths. From complex math problems to critical reading and writing, we cover every domain with precision and expert strategies. Our content is perfectly aligned with the College Board, ensuring you're practicing with the most relevant, up-to-date material. Join thousands of students who are already using our expert-led strategies to boost their scores and their confidence. Don't just take the test, master it. Achieve your highest score and stand out in the competitive world of admissions. Ready for success? Start your free 7-day journey today at urentrance.com. Urentrance.com. Your future simplified. Let's get started.